Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Sorry for the background noise. I'm actually editing another video right now for another channel. But this video is going to be for the CJW Music Tutorials channel. I got a question on my channel asking about, been trying to search how to do alpha notes, like putting the note names in the note heads, if I understand correctly. Here's how we would do it. Let me share my screen real quick. All right, so here we go. I've got my test 2 piece here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to speedy note entering. I'm going to type some notes in. Okay, so here we are. We have our notes. Now we're going to go to plugins. Plugins, this menu right here. This is where we go. Note, beam, and rest editing. We're going to want those. Okay. And here's all the different things you can use for this. So I'm going to click, you're going to go up here, we're going to click Alpha Notes. You must select a region in order with the selection tool before selecting this operation. So we have to go back, select our pointer tool or selection tool, select all of these, go up to Plugins, go down to Note, Beam, and Rest Editing, go to Alpha Notes, and click. Now you may not be able to see this because it's at a different point. But if I were to zoom in, I could show you what is going on with this. Okay, so that's how you do note names. And for a lot of times when I do big note or easy piano music, I like to go to page layout. And I like to, page layouts here. It goes in the main tool palette, page layout, click the papers, comes back up. I like to readjust not the page size, but the way it looks on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, or making the system is a bit bigger. Now I'm going to do 140, and it's going to beef up this totally. It's going to give me 3 lines per page, and then you're going to be able to have the students see the alpha notes that are in there. Now, if you wanted to, you could do this. Let's say we didn't want those notes. So we're going to go, we didn't want those letters in there. We're going to go back to plugins. Let's see, we can go, or we can go undo. So undo, and then that's Command Z for undo. Then you're going to go back to plugins, and we're going to try Northern European alpha notes. So make sure that The notes that you want to put note names on are highlighted before you do this. So now here's the Northern European ones. So you could see all of those, and I could zoom in so you could see it better. All right, so that's how you do the alpha note heads in Finale version 26. If you have any questions, please feel free to consult the comments, consult the Q&A. Other than that, I will see you in the next video.